Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I'm doing a second look with the Wicked Sisters Cosmetics palette, Season of the Witch. I had a request from Melissa Loves Makeup, I think that's her name. Let me see. Yes, she wanted to see a second look using that palette, so I try to use the colors that I haven't used, which were the greens and purples. I also tried the yellow, and if you want to see how it performed, keep on watching. Hi, so let's get started. I think I want to stick to this side of the palette this time, over here, because I didn't get to try last time the greens and the purples in this palette, so I think I want to do that. Let's see how this goes, because I always say I'm going to do something and it usually turns out to be something completely different. So let's see what happens. I'm going to start with Witch. Today is a very humid day. I mean, I just woke up and it's so humid, it's unbearable, and it's way too early to be this hot. Oh no. The humidity doesn't help, it makes it worse. I'm going to use this green now. It's called, oh, I was saying that wrong. I thought this was called Witch. This is called Watch. This one is called Witch. I just noticed that now. I'm going to take this halfway in. I'm so hungry and I don't know what to eat. Don't you hate when that happens? Because when you're hungry, you usually know what you want to eat and you crave it. You eat it and then you get satisfied. But when you don't know what to eat and yet you're hungry, oh, it's the worst. Does anybody else feel like this year is going by so fast? Because to me, this year went by extremely fast, even faster than last year, which is scary because it seems like life is passing by so fast at a rate that it's not normal. I don't know what to think anymore. And I know I'm not the only one who feels this way, because I talk to my clients and everybody and just friends, whatever, and they all say the same thing, that it seems like every year it just goes by faster and faster each year. It's crazy. How do you feel about that? This green is beautiful. I love this green. I'm gonna go in back with the first brush to blend this out. Maybe add a little bit more of that lilac color. I really like Curfew. Ooh, wow. First, I'm gonna add glitter primer. I'm using NYX glitter primer, which is honestly the best one out there. And I'm gonna place that where I want the shimmer. And I'm gonna go above my crease because I have hooded eyes. Use the back of the brush and get Curfew. Oh, this color is gorgeous. I'm gonna use this yellow over here. How rude, Max. I'm gonna use this yellow over here in the inner corner. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this on top of that. Now I'm gonna take Motel and put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna add black really close to the lower lash line. black eyeliner from NYX. I finished the rest of my face. I used my NYX contouring palette. I used the e.l.f. highlighter. For lips, I used the CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate Matte in this color. And I use this one for like every day because it's very natural. And this one works amazing and it lasts all day. I have no problems with this shade in particular. But this shade, this is the second time that I used it, and the first time that I used this, it got so patchy. It would like crunch up and ball up, and it would just leave you a whole bunch of patches everywhere, and it looked horrible. I guess it has more pigment and it doesn't stay on your lips as long as the other one. I don't know about this color, even though I like the color, but now this one, the new one, yeah, this one's perfect. So hey guys, I just wanted to insert this little clip here because I wanted to show you what I was talking about, the lipstick. It's been only 40 minutes or 45 minutes and look at this. You see what I'm saying? Who likes that? I don't like that. I think I'm gonna throw that lipstick out. And for lashes, I use these pairs from Kala. And these are called Jessie. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Don't start talking now. Just be a good boy and lay down. Go, lay down. You just went out. Stop being cute. I know you're not talking back to me. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my here I go. It's too hot. And if you want to see my thoughts, can you see my thoughts? Hi, so I'm gonna start off with no, I'm not gonna start off with nothing. It's not what I'm supposed to say, and it's way too early to be the humid. Click on the little bell to get son of a bitch.